Let's look into another day of a team in the office. So, the team is waiting for 1 week to finish. Even after the wait, received environment can have lot of issues. And the cycle continues. Behind the scene, setting up an environment means choosing appropriate server, configuring those server and networks, and deploying the application. As this is done manual, it's time intensive as well as error prone. That's where the tech industry is embracing the concept. Infrastructure as code.
That's where the idea for this Hacker Week came. Let's try AWS Cloud Formation. So what I will be doing is that I will be having a template where EC2 server and a Node.js installation for my website, and also a port configuration for SSHing into the server, and then I will host my website in this template, and from this template I will spinning up n number of servers. Let's go into the CloudFormation. We are logging into the CloudFormation into the AWS website, and we can see that there is a create template designer where you can specify or you can design a template from scratch, which will define what all resources or what all infrastructure we need for this. So let's get into the template creation. Here I have already completed one template for my project. I will upload that from my Amazon S3 bucket. So this is my template. The EC2 v1 which talks to the EC2 security group, and the EC2 security group configures the port numbers, and EC2 v1 is the server where my Node.js is installed, and the EC2 v1 takes the AMI image which I have pre-configured with a Node.js installation and with my website source code. Now let's get into the stack creation where the actual infrastructure is spinned up from this template. So what I have to do is that I have to just choose the template which I have done and just click next, and then take the SSH key name so that the Amazon can SSH into the server and set up what all I need for hosting the website, and I am naming it as weather server for the testing environment. Like this, if I want a weather server for the development environment, I can do it in the same exact way from the same template. So here the Amazon is spinning up the servers for us. It says that it has been created within a minute. And now let's get into the EC2 web server, and let's take the IP address or the public DNS name, and let's see whether my website is hosted. So it's hosted at 3000 port, even the port is configured. See, the website is up. Let's do some REST API calls. So it uses the Open Weather API and it fetches the real-time weather details of the location which I am inputting. This is infrastructure as code automation. Thank you all.